Hello my dear student, welcome in biology class 12, chapter number 8 is going on, that is human health and diseases. Today part 7. In this chapter we are studying about the different types of the disease present and found in the human beings. Along that their immune system, acquired immunity, innate immunity, along that the different disease. Today I am going to describe cancer. Cancer is a dangerous disease nowadays. In India, million of people of the India suffer from the this cancer disease, and that is transferred from the oncogenical transformation into the body of human beings. So let us one by one about the cancer. Cancer is the one of the most dreaded disease nowadays of the human being. It is a major cause of the death all over the world globe. Cancer is the one of the most dreaded disease of the human being. It is a major cause of the death all over the world, all over the globe. In the cancer cell, breakdown of regulatory mechanism takes place. In the cancer cell, breakdown of the regulatory mechanism takes place, and normal cell show a property called contact inhibition by virtue of which is contact with other cell and inhibit their uncontrolled growth. We are studying about the cancer. It is the most dreaded disease of the human being all over the world. Millions of Indian people are suffer from this cancer, and this is oncogenical transfer takes place into the body of human being. In the cancer cell, breakdown of regulatory mechanism takes place, and that show the property called contact inhibition by the virtue of which contact with the other cell inhibit their growth of the uncontrolled growth, and its treatment and control have been some of the most intense area of research in biology and medicine. So we can say the mechanism that underlie development of cancer are oncogenic transfer of the cell. In our body, cell growth and differentiate in highly controlled and regulated. In cancer, contact inhibition takes place. Study of next one is the cancer. Study of cancer is study of cancer is called oncology. It is called oncology. Important study of cancer is called oncology. Cancerous cell when cancerous cell continue to divide, giving rise to masses of cell called tumor. When cancerous cell continue to divide and giving rise to masses cell, that is called tumor. जब कोई कैंसरस सेल कंटिन्यू ग्रोथ करता रहता है तो क्या बना लेता है वो ट्यूमर बना लेता है. एंड हियर इज द टू काइंड्स ऑफ ट्यूमर. फर्स्ट वन इज द बेग्नाइन ट्यूमर एंड सेकंड वन इज द malignant tumor. Two tumor, benign tumor and malignant tumor. These are the made up from the cancerous cell, and let us one by one. Benign tumor, it is remain confined to the affected organ. Remain confined to the affected organ means ये क्या रहता है, किसी जो जिस पार्ट को क्या जिस ऑर्गन को अफेक्ट करता है उसी पर ये स्मॉल फॉर्म में पड़ा रहता है. बट दिस malignant tumor it also spread to the other organ of the body. इसकी खासियत क्या है benign tumor की, अगर ये किसी भी ऑर्गन में है तो उसी ऑर्गन पे रहेगा. एंड दिस वन malignant अगर किसी ऑर्गन पे हुआ है तो इट कैन आल्सो स्प्रेड टू अदर ऑर्गन में दूसरे ऑर्गन पे भी इफेक्ट कर सकता है. In the benign tumor, rate of growth of benign tumor is very slow, and rate of growth of malignant tumor is very rapid. बहुत ही तेजी से होता है, इसमें बहुत ही धीरे धीरे. Here no latent stage found, means they have no any micro stage and they have latent stage found in the malignant tumor, and this benign tumor cause limited damage of the body. It cause limited damage to the body, and but this one malignant tumor is migrate to the other side of the body and cause the unlimited damage to the body of the human beings. No metastasis into the benign tumor, but in the malignant tumor here is metastasis. This is mean that spreading of tumor to the other part of the body, and it is this benign tumor is non-cancerous and malignant tumor is the cancerous in nature. हम लोग क्या पढ़ रहे हैं अभी? कैंसर के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं. इसलिए आप कैंसर इज नोन एज ऑन्कोलॉजी. when cancerous cell continue to give rise to their multiple, that is mosses called tumor, and there are two kinds of the tumor, benign tumor and malignant tumor. Here benign tumor is remain confined to the affected body, but this malignant tumor are spread to the other part of the body. The rate of growth is slow in the benign tumor, and in the rapid growth rapid into the malignant tumor. Here no latent stage found in the benign tumor, latent stage found in the malignant. Cause this benign tumor cause limited damage to the body of the organism, and this malignant migrate to the other side of the body, and there no metastasis in the benign and metastasis found in the malignant tumor. It is benign tumor is non-cancerous and malignant tumor is the cancerous. This is about tumor, benign tumor and malignant tumor. Causes of cancers. Cancerous neoplastic cell may be induced by physical, chemical and biological agent that is called carcinogens. Cancerous neoplastic cell may be induced by the physical, chemical and biological agent that is called carcinogen. What is carcinogen? Carcinogen means cancer causing agents are called carcinogen. Cancer causing agents are called carcinogen, that is X-ray and UV rays or UV radiation. X-ray and UV radiation. And viruses that cause the carcinogen, that oncogenic virus, that is called oncogens viral. These are two types. First one is the cellular oncogen and are proto oncogens. Cellular oncogen and the proto oncogen. Means simply we can say cancer is caused by the carcinogenic agent, means cancer causing agent, for example X-ray, UV radiation, and that is also caused by the oncogenic virus, that is called oncogen viral. They may be cellular oncogen or proto oncogens. This is about the causes of cancers that is caused by the carcinogen, that is cancer causing agents present in the environment. This cancer detection and diagnosis. कैंसर का कैसे हम डिटेक्ट करेंगे और कैसे उसका इलाज करेंगे. The cancer detection and diagnosis is based on biopsy and histopathological study of tissue, blood and bone marrow that test for increased cell counts. This cancer detection and diagnosis is based on biopsy and histopathological study of tissue, blood, bone marrow test for increased cell count. ये किसके ऊपर डिपेंड है? बायोप्सी पर और हिस्टोलॉजिकल स्टडी पर, किसके टिश्यू के, ब्लड के, बोन मैरो के अंदर कितने सेल काउंट हो रहे हैं कैंसर के. एंड दैट इज आल्सो आइडेंटिफाई द डिफरेंट बायोटेक्नोलॉजिकल मोड, टेक्नोलॉजिकल, दैट बाय द radiography, CT scan means computed tomography, and by the MRI, magnetic resonance imaging are very useful to identify cancers of the internal organ. It is used for the detection of the cancer into the body of organism, and this is about the cancer detection and diagnosis. It based upon histological study of blood, tissue, bone marrow for increasing test counts, and also the detection is takes place by the biotechnological method, by radiography, by the CT scan, by the MRI, and other biotechnological technique which is used for the identifying the cancers into the organ of organism. At last, treatment of the cancer. How cancer is treated nowadays by the doctors? First one is the surgical method, then radiotherapy, then chemotherapy, and last one is the immunotherapy. 4 types of method used for the treatment of the cancer. So by the surgical, cancerous tissues are surgically removed from the body of cancer affected person. Once again, by the surgical mode in which the cancerous tissue are surgically removed from the body of the affected person by the operation mode. And next one is the radiotherapy. It is the tumor cells are irradiated lethally by the radiation. By the radiotherapy, in which the different radiation is focused on the tumor cell and that lethally irradiate to the affected cell. And next one is the chemotherapy, in which the drugs are used for kill the cancerous cell, but they show the different side effects like hair loss, anemia, etc. And by the chemotherapy, drugs are used to kill the cancerous cell, and that shows the different side effect, just like loss of hair and anemia. And last one is the immunotherapy, in which the patients are given with the alpha interferon, which activate their immune system and help in destroying the tumor of the affected person. Last one is the immunotherapy, in which the patient are given to alpha interferon, that is protein bounds, and that activate the immune system of the affected person, and that help in the destroying the tumor cell from the body of affected person. These are the 4 methods by that the treatment of cancer takes place nowadays into the into the hospitals, and also by the doctors, by the surgical, radiotherapy, chemotherapy, immunotherapy. And this is all about cancer. And at last I want to say, prevention is better than cure, but we should ready for fighting the different types of the disease that's present around us. And at last, study of cancer is called oncology, and cancer causing elements or cancer causing agents are called carcinogen. Thank you.